Whoa, this is called the Vectron. This is crazy. Anti-gravity device. Whoa, can you see that? Isn't that crazy? Whoa, it's levitating. What? That's crazy. Woo, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. All right. So what we doing is, let's see. So we're on week five. And so last week we did piecewise functions, solving absolute value inequalities. Excuse me. And this week we're going to be doing so combining functions, compositions, inverse functions, doing the old practice tests 1 through 5, and modules 1 through 5, and module 1 through 5 test. You got this. So I'll give you a little bit of intro to this assignment because it's pretty crazy. It's got some good videos, but I think it lacks a maybe like a direct video to help you. First, we'll make sure recordings. I already did this once, and it wasn't recording. Okay. Yeah, so basically, with combining functions, there's some good, amazing composition videos to help you, which is awesome. But down here, let's go ahead and just give you let's give you some basically, what would you say, a direct help video on this assignment. And to say thanks for watching my Google Meet. So let's see. So we have f of x equals 4x squared plus the square root of negative 5x. Whoa! Gotta hurry because next class... No, that's lunchtime. Don't worry. Okay, so all you're going to do is go ahead and take negative 5 and plug it in here carefully. And also plug it in here carefully. Because when you see f of negative 5, what that is actually saying as a statement is it's saying... Please find x equals negative 5 for the function f. And you're like, oh, okay, so you're saying I should plug a negative 5 here, and I should plug a negative 5 here, and also here. Yeah, plug a negative 5 in and solve for it. So that's pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy. This one's asking you to add those together and then look at the domain. Because the f plus g just means to add f of x plus g of x. Oh, that's easy. 3x plus 4x is 7x. And negative 5 plus 2. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Okay, well, what's the function? 7x minus 3? Oh, it's just a line. It's just a line down here at negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 with a really steep slope. Right? Really steep slope. But it's asking for the domain, which is the x values. The domain is the x values. And so if you think about it, all the x values are going to be is going from left to right. And so it might take a while to get to negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. But we'll get there. It'll eventually get there. It's just going to take a long time. So, right, eventually it'll also go to the right forever as well. So you are going to be doing negative infinity, positive infinity. Woo! Yeah, domain and range. Okay, evaluate the indicated function. Ooh, so f of g of 1. So that little star there means to like times it, right? It means to times it. So you're going to take x squared minus 4 and put in parentheses and then times it with x plus 9 in parentheses, distribute that sucker through, and then plug in a 1 wherever you see an x. Nice. It might not be 30. It might not be that one. It might not be that one. Not really curious, actually. I'm just kind of really, maybe, curious. I don't know. I don't even know if I see my answer. Because could you shortcut this? Could you plug it in first and then multiply them? Because then you get 9 times negative 4, which is negative 36, and that's none of them. That would be ridiculous. But let's do it the proper way. So you do x squared minus 4 times x plus 9. Good. Make sure we're still recording. Okay. So then x squared times x is x to the third power. X squared times 9 is 9x squared. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. Oh, okay. So yeah, you can't just plug in 1 in there and multiply the 9 and negative 4. No. Now we go ahead and plug in the 1 there. So 1 to the third power is just 1. 1 squared is just 1. But times 9 is 9, so 1 plus 9. And then plug in there 1, so that'll be for x. Plug in a 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 minus 36. There you go. So go ahead and combine and add those numbers. And I do technically... Wait. I'm trying to do my head. Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay, so it's not 9, it's not 50. It's either negative 3, negative 24, negative 30 is your hint. Woo! Next one, you're going to add those together, combine like terms. So 3x squared plus 6x squared minus 2x with a negative x. And then 5 and 3 is 8. And then plug in a 5 wherever you see an x. Nice. So this one is going to be subtraction. So f minus g. So 3x minus 4x and 2 minus 5. And that's it. Combine like terms. Combine like terms. Add them together. Divide them. Looking good. You got this. So this one is going to be subtraction as well. But definitely going to be a weird, tricky thing at the end. We're going to plug in a t minus 3. So f minus g. So f is x squared plus 4. And then it says to minus g. So minus parentheses g of x is x minus 2. Nice, nice, nice. So you're going to have to distribute that negative through. So we get x squared plus 4 minus x and then a plus 2. Oh. Well, the 4 and the 2 can combine together and become a 6. Well, thank you very much. So then we have x squared minus x plus 6. Okay, now here's the weird tricky part. They want you to take t minus 3, and they want you to plug it in there for x, and they want you to plug it in there for x. So you're going to end up with a t minus 3 times t minus 3 minus parentheses t minus 3 plus 6. And then combine like terms and get one of these answers. Woo! Okay, so then here's a new symbol, GOF. Okay. And what GOF means is it means to do a composition. And so composition means to take F and plug it into G. So we take x plus 4 and we plug it in there for x. So all you're basically going to do is x plus 4 all squared. Which, don't forget, you can't just square the individual terms. No. You've got to do x plus 4 times x plus 4. Remember that? And you got to do the smiley face, and you got to distribute it. Got to FOIL it, x times x. There's your 4 times 4, but don't forget, those are just the eyes. You also need the nose and the mouth. Nice. Make sure it's still recording. Good. Okay, so then, because I already made this video once, I'm going to ask you what your favorite phone company is. Yeah, go Track Phone. So Track Phone is cheap. I bought this phone with the stylus for 99 bucks. What? My daughter bought the same one, maybe a little bit better, but not much, because it comes with a stylus. So does hers. It has, she's like, oh, well, mine's got like 4 cameras and stuff. And I'm like, whoa, so does mine. So hers costs like $900. That's crazy. Yeah, go Verizon. Oh, no, they're good. They're just expensive. And then there's Sprint, AT&T. And if you don't know one, just say Sprint. Just make up one. Oh, say Track Phone because it's my favorite. So thanks for watching this Google Meet. So make sure you go and put your favorite or whatever phone service you use, your favorite phone service, or just whatever phone service. And that's for this week. Just say thanks for watching. You're going to get your 12 points when you put in your favorite phone service into Canvas. Okay, let's go and finish off. Wrong one. Okay, let's go finish off. So question 10 is another composition. This time we're going to plug G into F. Cool. Ooh, find the composite function which expresses the given correspondence. So they want you to do either f of g or g of g or f of f or g of f. And whenever one's correct, you'll yield this answer. So you're taking these two functions, you're doing a composition, but which one of these is the right one? So just go through and try each one and see which one gives you that answer. Whoa, what's up, girl?
Hi, everyone.
Hi
Today
everyone.
we're going to talk about how to determine
So
whether or
she's
not a
going to
value
help
is
you
one to
determine whether
one,
a function is
or
one
in
to
other
one.
words, whether or not it
And
has
so
equal or
thank you
valid
so much for
values.
helping us. And so you want to make sure to watch that video, and that'll help you with these one-to-one questions. Nice. Last but not least is the inverse function. What inverse function? So the inverse function is basically where you have a function y equals x cubed minus 3. And so it's really easy to find the inverse of a function. All you do is switch the x's and y's and solve for y. So this y becomes an x. This x becomes a y cubed. This x becomes a y. We have minus 5. Isn't that the worst looking 3 you've ever seen in your life? Sorry. That's better. And then all you got to do then is add 5 to the other side, so x plus 5, and then cube root both sides. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. So cube root of x, and the next cube root of x plus 5, yeah. So that's not too bad, finding the inverse. Ooh, here's a table. What's the value of fg of 1? I'm wondering if we're missing a symbol there. Now that I think about it, I'm going to have to go in and fix that. Thanks for letting me see that. And then that has a plus, so that's easy. Just going to add the functions together of 3. What are you even talking about, Newbold? Well, this is the input, this is the output. This is the input, this is the output of x. Ooh, this is a good question. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, so basically what it's having you do is, let's see. So what is the value of f plus g and then plugging in a 3? Well, f plus g, right? So let's see. So we're looking first of all, we want to do f plus g, whatever that combined function is. And then wherever 3 is for that. So your input is definitely going to be a 3. Right? It's definitely going to be a 3. I feel like they didn't finish this right here, because that should probably say f plus g. Man, I need to fix this up. Sorry about that, you guys. What's going on here? So that should be, I believe, that should be f plus g is what the h is. Little confused there. Anyways, so you're going to plug in a 3 and you should get a 0. Wow, I'm going to have to look into this. Let's look at it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and see what our answers are for that particular one, because I want to help you. This is getting crazy on me, and I feel like I need to maybe edit this assignment just a little bit to make it better. Let's take a look there. We're looking at number 18 right now. Together, everyone. Having so much fun. We're all in this. What the? Wow. Is it not going to let me edit it? Come on, son. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Well, I'm definitely going to have to work on these problems then. Sorry about that. Interesting. Alrighty. I think that's times, so that's not too bad. Times. It wouldn't even let me edit it? Isn't that interesting? I thought I clicked on edit. Yeah, I did click on edit. Oh, it says it's locked. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. So maybe because it's locked? So why don't we go ahead and take a look at it down here? Because I'm really curious now. I really want to know and I really want to help you. So let's go ahead and go here to our M. Where's our M? Blueprint M for math. Oh, we found it. Yes, we did find it. Thank you for your patience. I don't know what accent that was, but it was kind of weird and funny at the same time. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to let me edit it, I think. So we can take a look at what's going on with those questions. Here we go. Yeah, it's going to let me edit it and just check out the answer, kind of work our way backwards, because I'm confused a little on how this is set up, because that just says h of x of o, and that just doesn't seem right to me. Okay, so it says the correct answer is 2. So let's see what's going on there. I feel like that should be f of g of 1, because then you could bounce through each one. And really, that's what I want it to be, so I might have to fix this. That's weird, huh? Yeah, well. Okay, let's see here. Maybe we'll just give you all the answers. Okay, so f plus g of 1. Cool. So what is the value of f plus g? Well, f of x, if you plug in a negative 2, you get a positive 2. If you plug in a 0, you get a 1. If you plug in a 1, you get a 4. If you plug in a 3, you get a 6. Interesting. Seems kind of linear, doesn't it? Seems kind of linear. Can we figure out what that linear equation is? Let's see. So we'll go ahead and graph this sucker. So you plug in a negative 2, and you get a positive 2. Okay. Then you plug in a 0, you get up 1. What the? You plug in a 1, you get a 4. It's like way up here. That doesn't seem right. And then you plug in a 3, and you get a 6 way up here. Okay. So that's just weird. Negative 2, 2, 0, 1. So it's like, ooh. And we want to combine that with g of x, which also looks, plug in a negative 2, you get a negative 4. Plug in a negative 3. Plug in a 0, you get negative 3. I mean, this looks a little linear, maybe more, maybe not. Plug in a negative 3. Plug in a negative 2, you get a 1. That's way up here. Sorry, I messed up. Okay, so negative 4, negative 2. No. You plug in a negative 2, you get a negative 4. Good. Then you plug in a 0, you get negative 3. Good. Then you plug in a 1, and you get a negative 2. Okay, there we go. Then plug in a 1, you get a negative 2. Why is my negative 2 so low? Oh, because it's negative 2, negative 4. That's why. Okay, that looks like it's taking off too. That is so weird that we're combining these functions. Okay. So the answer is 2. Let's see why. Let's see. So f of g, and I feel like this is the combined. I feel like this is the combined. So really, you plug in a 3 and you get 0. Then you plug in a 0 and you get a 2. I think they meant to do composition of functions. So basically f of g of 3. So then you start off with g of 3, and you get negative 1, and then you plug in that negative 1 into f. Yeah. So that's tricky. So as of right now, just go ahead and the correct answer is 2. I need to. Sorry about that. I do need to definitely double check through these questions because these just seem wacko, and I want to fix that. Correct answer is 6 for this one right here. F minus g of 1. I mean, another way you could try it that they're trying to get you to do is maybe just minus it, but it still doesn't seem right. So you go to f of 2, and so let's see. You want to do f minus g. So then f. We already proved you can't do that, though. So f of 1 is going to be 0. G of 1, there isn't even a g of 1. So 0, and then 0. Yeah, this is meh. Okay, so that's going to be 6. I still think they meant to do compositions, so that's why I need to fix this. Okay, 19C, here we go. The answer is also 6. And when in doubt, just try 6. Oh, this one right here, f of g of 1 is going to be negative 8. So f of g of 1 is going to be 8. I feel like they just didn't finish this, so I do apologize. Okay, f of h of negative 2 is going to be 10. And there's lots of answers for you, and then I need to fix this. Wow, thanks for your patience in going through this. Woo! So go ahead and finish this up. And then when you're done, go and finish this up. When you're done, you're going to be working on the practice test. Whoa! So module 1 through 5 practice test is next, as well as the module 1 through 5 test. You get to do them both as many times as you want to, which is awesome, right? Do them as both many times as you want to get the highest score possible for both of them. Now, I do want to let you know the practice test has videos of every problem to help you. But if you just copy the videos, you're going to fail the test. So make sure that you push play.
All right, yo,
Thanks for watching.
Helping you on our Canvas.
So go ahead and push play. Push pause. Try number 1 on your own. Then push play and see how you did.
-4.
Then push pause. Try number 2 on your own. Push play. See how you did. Learn from your mistakes. Then
that
push
would then become,
pause.
that would
Pause.
become positive, right?
Try number 3 on your own.
Negative times negative is
Push
positive.
play, see how you
Watch out
did.
for that.
So that's how I always want you to do on all my videos. So make sure you do that, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Peace out and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bye for now.